Dana Kuli just told me she will not be able to make my white wedding, and she made good for that. Hey? She just got me a whole box of Johnny Walker Blue. Thank you so much. She knows how to apologize.
Sorry,
Johnny Walker Blue.
Sorry, hello.
Hi, Swami.
To
my white wedding.
What? Usashada lo muntu omshadile vele like February ushadile. How ushada futhi sathi incane samenyo ngathi uthi angeke ngikhona ukuzomsebenza bathi ngiyashada sathi nine still. Guess what ke? Uyashada futhi.
Papa.
Shithi mina ke yebe abantu ba busy fill up the dome. Yona fill up the finger. Mina kina maringa inayi. Kunini ushada? Mama kathi kumshada white wedding ngidlalela ke asikaqedi uthi shoda hayi shoda iblue manje. Since nje for no reason. Probably nyukuna.
It's too much.
Yeah, perfect wedding way is season 1, 2, 3.
No, I don't have outfits.
Today shada uput pop but 40 but nale umuntu akho yeah nale umuntu akho lo mehla amakhulu even mina kena mehla amakhulu even ngathi vele kubheka uthi ari bro bakala ngendlini or asiphuzelo uphuzelo yeah can I just marry you then just to make a man can I just marry you again wena papa shada angeke wena awuna muntu kumanje usesikile lo muntu shada ku4 lo nyaka ayo bro bayishe mayi nishada ngani manje Ngoba lasbe bayahlaba nje yahlaba bekhona lo antu wakhe le antu wakhe yamkhumbula leyana uyokhuluma namanje Bob I repeat iruna man arno phithisa le phithisa ngalo repeat ko life nyamini mara usikalibala musada arobali asikarobala arobala mutsuse umshabe ka umshabe
hey wena itlhokomele man
shapa noma kodwa kona la kitla mshapisa vele
Okay, I don't think Das Kumba has met my wife. Because first he said my wife in a kiss.
Yeah.
Now my wife has big eyes. And like Yamazu Fazoncho.
Yeah, Yamazu kamala le different mhlambe kusuya. Kuthi kamala kubani paragraph 1 kamala. America bravo bishaka na kamala ayuni kubani kamala kubani paragraph 1. Sila pa sila kamanyana. Kamanyana snacks. Hey, I'm Popeye, I'm sila pa. Ikama le mereka popano sila pass bani ya ala makamanyana man la hlukile alike akekho umuntu onelela kama eSouth Africa we wana thai kama wazo paragraph sila pass yini sayina sina makamanyana niko dilmas una la ubali kama le mimi nemira kakayazi kama na ukuthi balo hey baby hey can you say my name say my name Amaruya Zazo Bani. One chronological Bani.
What is her name?
Oh, incredible. Says incredible. Oh, incredible. Oh, what incredible. Hey, cranny. Angeke lo mungalibhala kula ka ngilibiza linzima. In Jesus Christ, Hey, Jesus Christ.
You did something else that's incredible. You actually filled out
I sold out 3 shows.
Sold out 3 shows.
No billboard, no newspaper, no TV, just 3 mentions on the show. Just 3 mentions
on the show.
And my Twitter page and
mine as well. Don't forget.
Yeah, okay, now what Twitter I agree. But with just social media and having people abangthanda that are surrounding me, helping me with it. 3 weeks later, the 3 shows were sold out.
This is definitely a study in marketing when it comes to social media. That's for sure. Because you used both Twitter and Instagram.
Sure, and Facebook, like all
and
like
Facebook,
these things are free. So I decided just to use them and see what's going to happen. The next thing, people woke up and the tickets were gone. And so last week we said we had 300 tickets left. Before 10 o'clock, it was done. It was done.
And you know, to any executive that might be listening and thinking of advertising on radio, there lies the trick in this whole thing. You know, in some words, in some instances, radio can never be the primary medium where you advertise. You have to support it with social media. You can't just throw all your money in one basket. You got to support your campaign. And, you know, I think there's something that you did that you can tell Casper. You know what I mean? Because he intends to fill up the dome. And the idea here is that it could have been Nomi Superstar. It could have been Hugh Masekela. There's a train.
Sure, no.
It could have been. It's not really about Casper himself as an artist. It is about supporting any move that actually elevates the quality of music in this country. Because I cannot think of anyone in any age group who doesn't love what Casper's music is.
Like right now, bro, I'm not a fan of Casper Nyovest. Not like, but what he's doing. Like this guy wants to fill up 20,000 people in one room, one day.
Yeah.
No, I want to be part of that.
Yeah.
No, I want to be part of that. Because it's a good initiative. And if Asim Distin and we're not trying to help him, then that means we want him to fail. And I say,
yes.
And I'm all about positivity.
Guys, that's the only way to sustain this country, hey? Doing the right thing.
That's all. And the song is here, kule show, at the dome. It's fucking I'm a pond. The song.
Yeah.
Seven I'm a dress. Like,
Here we go.
Don't Nomi. Yeah,
Nomi.
I like him. And then they fuck like me. In nice. No, Agabon kahle. Ukhulu uthi ungasave abantu uthi mazana uthanda sathi abantwana bakini uzoba laphana ile dome angayibona akangena endaweni wrong la mntwana lana ngalento le uku empty lana kuse toilet ugena toilet ungathi fill up the toilet.
We want to help Casper.
Sure.
We haven't discussed this with management yet, but I'm quite sure, knowing the kind of person that Greg is, he's going to agree and even do more. I'm quite sure about that. Yep.
Tried calling him, but if I go, I'm back, I perform episode and then it's like saying, but yeah, I'm from Pelham. I'm from Ringel and a pause. I mean,
yeah.
In one crane, man, Caspunum Cabanyana,
fresh,
una charrette, positive, but it will be nice to see that dome full.
Absolutely.
And make use of South Africans. See, Izan, Nisen, Nan, Ozan. Congratulations, Mutwana. One.
And then we get Casper an interview on Bonang's show.
No, like security. Skumbozo. Ngibona uJudge Mutata last week. Judge Mutata. Lo baba lo.
Oh, Judge Nkola Mutata. Yes.
Timely grand.
Really? That's nice.
Coffee like.
Coffee.
Yeah, we went to the Flowers Festival last week.
Yes.
It was nice. But at some point, I found myself human to chase Spoon Kabum. But Kuluma boy too. Like, for some reason, I felt disabled. Yo, come on, Dan, it's on our yard. Come on, Freddy. I love your top. I love your hustle. Yes, Babum, Bakuma ngamalimbo ithu ene manje ngimile la ndubane coach ukuthi Sandi haseli yakho boy ene kucula kamnani nikabo manyazo ka boy yeah the mkhukweni David Jones but so sikhomba ucabangani ngicela nikhuluma nje ngabo ngithi azangazi yasangazi ngithi ngicela la milimi lami lisiphumela nje mlungana nayi imhlola yami umuntu okhuluma la yazi ngasikhumbuza ibar man yazi 9999 not angazi sibuku ngicela toilet kancane yabo ilimi lami la choke ukama mala ngoma uyade wayenza square ngithi That's for some reason ngibona ngathi ngikhole sasa nayo laba bayihola laba ngeke bakhuluma kanje bangaholi bathola igrant laba bayithwa ngeke sizohola imali yethu basithola fire boy uyazi uhamba bani sibu amalungana nami la yeah ukabom basele boy ya vele sasibekela ukuthi ukusiza into zakhona ezilabo bayithu bangidinile.
We had the hearing with Oscar. in the week, and it was taken back to the parole board. And now we've got another hearing coming up, so he's still in there.
Usayikhasela phakathi.
Yeah. But there's a very interesting article in that intelligent newspaper there, the Mail and Guardian, that says when you think about it, when you actually think about it, a lot of people in his position have now been disadvantaged because a president has been set. You feel me? Yeah, so that's what it is. There's a whole lot of people who are now in his position that are now not going to allow Oscar.
Uma position to Oscar, basha yipi position. No, position to wala ngapha kule side abokabomu labo sibu and ngapha ole side labantu abadubulayo. So but ukuliphi position le yabokabomu? Oh le ngapha. Oh so what yabona yabona mhlawumbe nginawo teboshiwe. Yazandla sesinezandla zona. So vele elbrava nento singidisturb impilo nami. Ugogo ka Barack Obama, ugogo ka Barack uthole award for in. Okay. Ubani ugogo ka Barack Obama? Wenzeni ugogo lo? Yini le gaga ethi hey asimnikeni award. Sinabogogo ba serious la elokushini, Uma mpinga ngatholi nix. Serious, umpinga ngatholi nix. Abogogo Louise, dala ba act. Basolgogo abantu uhlele Kenya. Ubhizi uyitaka into zakho futhi. Win award ngenzeni? But akuthi nje uhleli. Bani yathi uhleli, babili uhleli phansi so. But why hayi ugogo ngathi woza win nix. Uwantu wakho lo somshadweni akatholi lutho. Kule bogogo ba serious kule country. Naleli phando nix. Kuzavela umuntu ofana naye.
Hayi.
Yini yafana la bantu?
Hayi.
Bona homophobic.
Wow.
Kuzavela twins like.
Hayi.
Why bani kaka homo but yes. Abantu baka homo zani solandi award kanti yakubona kusukuma mamnalethi. Yeah, and voice a deep like kokolo yalo. Ngomo zamakhuluma. Asila mama hey baby. Yeah baby.
Oh, homo na lady.
Yeah, siyabonga ukuthi
Hayi.
ukhuluma kanje. Okay, asemfuneni okay, sicela umGoogle umuntu oneGoogle. Google lo mama khuluma. Uzwe voice yakhe ithi hey or it hate. Ngathi yabona umbambile ebusuku uza manje sizawe singinawe. Shithi makwela mama noma khuma lo bahleli bayithuba xoxa. Ye ungasho ukuthi ayifana day event. So manje na lady senza njani? Hey kula kusiphethe ntombazana. Mama khuluma isilungu. I don't know. It's wrong probably there. Uthi kanti uDeruyeza. uDeruyeza first uzwa immediately ikhuluma nenye indoda uthi nayi imhlelo yami.
Just go.
Makhoma lo bambile.
God, man.
Uzwa. Ne. Thanda ukuhleka ngento lo. Nenzani lapha? Sisiplomele. Bathi ngithule itraffic, athi ngithule. Kodwa ya vele. Homo mana muhle.
The Honorable Chief Whip of the opposition did withdraw properly.
Yes, I know, ma'am. The opposition of Sakura, please withdraw. Makuma siya draw there. Siya draw.